who's suitable for the ministry. Suitable is a word that I think is time-based. So, and it's a tricky word because I think any baptized Christian is suitable to be called into leadership in the church, but I think suitable in this, at least I hope in the way you're using it, and Sim uses it, is for what do we need in ordained leadership for this time that we are in now? And I think that is very, very different. You know, in the 1800s, that was a far more pastoral model than we really see being played out now. Certainly pastoral is part of the role, but it's not the only part. And in fact, a lot more skills are needed for the church that we have and the church that we will become. If we think about anybody that can tell you what the church will be in 10 years, you should not believe, because I don't think anybody knows. And that's the kind of leader we need now, somebody that can live in that ambiguity, can live in the thought that we're not certain. There's no program there. There's no path that we can put you on and say, you're going to get there if you do this, because we don't know what it's going to be like in 10 years. We are discovering that. We're in the middle of the evolution of that right now. So we need adaptable people. We need, what's suitable now, somebody that can live in that ambiguity and actually has to be thinking about that. I'm not sure in the 1800s that was the most pressing thing. There were many pressing things, but those weren't the pressing things then. They are now. It is now. How do we become, and how are we going to be part of that becoming? And how will you be a leader in the midst of that becoming? That is not leadership that everybody has. So I'm looking for people that can live in that and can help form what might happen, but when we don't know what it is. So it's really adaptability is very important right now.